Guys, like, it cut me off because it was only like 3 minutes long, so it's just about to break it. So, like, I wanted to say, we all have a one person we used to like, but it's like, way older than us. Can't just be me because, like, I used to like this boy, right? And he was like, what? 4 years older than me. And I really do not know why. I just been doing. Then I like this boy like 3 years older than me. Like, oh, what grade is he now? Probably like, wait, my brain is actually. Oh, grade 10. So I do feel like it's. Look at you. Wait, no, that's 5 years older than me. It's stupid. Yeah, wait, it's 10. Yeah, grade 10. So stupid. Mm-mm. Take a guess. What grade I am? No, 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 no. I can't be around the person. I'm gonna leave this here. Wait, don't, please guys, don't be waiting on me for this one. Ballerina cappuccino. Oh, me. Whoa, ballerina cappuccino. Oh, well.